First, let me show you guys how to enable it, and then I'll explain why this is so useful. Open Windows Settings, the modern one, no control panel, and go to System. I have disabled the home page of the settings. Because of that, it takes me straight to the system whenever I open the settings. So go to System and then look for this option for developers. Click on it, and here it says the settings are intended for development use only. Don't worry about it. It's actually useful for anyone who uses the Windows 11. Here you'll see an option called End Task. Just enable it. Make sure that you have the latest Windows 11 24H2 plus the latest update of 24H2. Then you'll see this option. Once you have this enabled, you'll see a new option when you right click on any running application on taskbar. That is End Task. And now let me show you guys why this is so useful. So by default, when we right click on any application in taskbar, we have the close window option, which closes the application just like that. But the new option, End Task, is a little bit different. Yes, it closes the application just like the regular close option, but it forcefully closes that application. Now, usually if you want to close any application forcefully, you have to open the task manager and then right click on the application which you want to forcefully close, and here you'll see the End Task option. So this is a same thing that we have enabled in taskbar now. Okay, so why this is so useful? This is useful when some program gets unresponsive or gets frozen. You can't close that program by clicking on close window option. So whenever that happens, we go open the task manager, and then from there we right click and end the task and close that program forcefully. But there is a problem with that. Let's say the program is stuck because of the high CPU usage or RAM usage. If you open the task manager always uses a lot more CPU than any other application. So take a look at the task manager usage when I open this. It uses more than 50% CPU. One more time. Okay, I'm gonna open this and you can see 48. Every time you launch the task manager, it's gonna use huge amount of CPU, which can also cause task manager to become unresponsive and it will get frozen. If you're running a lot of program at the same time, and let's say one program is unresponsive, frozen, can't close it, then if you open the task manager at that time, there is a chance that your system will also freeze or the task manager will also freeze. It's really common programs to get frozen in Windows, especially when you have low-end device or you're running out of CPU or RAM. So in that case, it's not a good idea to actually open Task Manager. Okay, I'm gonna just show you guys one more time. Initially, Task Manager actually uses a lot of CPU. So yeah, whenever any program gets stuck, just use this option. I'm just gonna do a small test to see if my CPU spikes whenever I, open that option, End Task option. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Okay, so it's much better than using Task Manager to forcefully close the program. So I'm gonna actually end the task. You can see no CPU spike, no nothing like that. This is like super useful if you use a lot of programs at the same time. When you do that, your system can like run out of RAM or CPU usage. So if any program gets stuck, it's best to not open Task Manager. Just use this option. This is again super useful. Basically, this option is better than Task Manager to end the program forcefully without stressing your PC. Okay, so it doesn't use any resources. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you still have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.